Today I'll be reviewing and unboxing this HomeLifairy Stroller fan. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So I'm going to go ahead and take this fan out of the box. I'm going to show you everything that comes in your box once you order this portable stroller fan. So the three things that come inside of your box are going to be your instruction manual. So this is going to be a breakdown of the stroller fan itself. It's going to show you a few ways on how to use it, how to set it up, and it's also going to show you the different product features. You also don't have to worry about getting a charging cable for this because one is already included. This is a Type-C to USB charging cable. So here is the portable fan itself. Let me go ahead and stand it up. I do like that these little three legs are like a tripod style. So they are flexible, so you are able to mold it and shape it in whatever way that you want. As you can see, they are pretty flexible, so you are able to shape these up. So this is perfect if you're placing it on your stroller. You could simply wrap these around the stroller handles. You could put it on the back seat of the car and take a look. This is how big it is. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the back here. As you can see, here's the on and off button. Now this middle one here is the speed control. You do get a total of 3 speeds. So you have low, medium, and high speed. And the runtime on this is about 4.5 to 11 hours of runtime, just depending on the speed. And down here, as you can see, you have the charging port. So this is what you'll be using to charge it. And then this right here is just the light indicator. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it on now so we could go ahead and take a look and see at how loud this is. I'm gonna go ahead and power it on. You can see here is the low speed, medium, and high. And to be completely honest with you, it is fairly quiet. I have it at the highest speed right now, and it is not loud. It actually shoots a good amount of air, very nice, very light breeze. So it's available in black, in white, in green, and in pink as well. And what's so convenient about this is that since it's portable, you could basically charge it anywhere. You could charge it in your vehicle, you could charge it on a computer, you could charge it with the mobile power adapter, charge it at home in an outlet, on a computer. There is so many ways that you could charge this up. Another thing about this is that it actually turns. So let's just say that you have it at a stationary location, you already set it up, and you want to just go ahead and change it. The great thing is that it moves. So even though you've already set it up, you are able to actually turn it. So it does have a 360-degree turn. So you could use it as a handheld. You could go ahead and stand this. There's a variety of ways that you could use this little fan, especially with these flexible tripod legs. One of the things that I do like, and I'm going to go ahead and give you a closer look, is the little ridges. This will prevent you from touching the blade on the fan itself. Not only can you use this in a stroller, this could actually be for personal use. You could use it for your pet. You could use it out at the park, or when you're working out, when you're traveling, if you're going to an amusement park, if you're going to a walk in the park. It is so nice, and actually it's a pretty lightweight. So overall, I think this is super convenient. It's actually super simple to use. Like I mentioned, you simply power it on. You have 3 different speed settings. It has a charger, and the charge can last up to 11 hours. So overall, if you want to check it out for yourself, or you want to take a look at the different colors that they have available, I'll go ahead and link it down below. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.